Here's how to turn any V10 Destroyer. Shut up, Meta. Here's how to turn any V10 Destroyer into a plane. So what you do is you take the fast version, fling it off of a cliff, and if you do it right, which I did, fling it off of a cliff, you fling the gas whenever it's pointing upwards. Basically you start spinning around until you turn into a helicopter. So, yeah. See what happens if I let go of the throttle. So by basically turning this thing into a helicopter, you can fly with a V10 Destroyer. Dear God, I am still moving. Oh yeah, and I turned off the fog because it kind of blocks my view because I used to be going up that high before. Dear God. Stop it. Car, chill. Chill, car. Chill. If I grab it, I can't. We're moving so fast I can't grab the car. I can't. Oh my God. That was almost as fast as what I was doing. See what it does. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Fan blade. Yeah, Godspeed, brother.